Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can get active developer badge on Discord. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC or laptop and search for Discord Developer Portal. Then open the official website, log in using your account, and you will be redirected to the homepage automatically. After that, click on New Application button at the top right corner and click on Create after naming it. Then go to the Bot tab, enable these three settings. Then reset the bot token and copy the new one. Now open a new tab, search for Bot Ghost, and paste the copied token ID. Click on Create button. Scroll down to the bottom and make sure that Active Developer Badge is enabled. Then click on Invite and invite this bot to any of your servers. Go to that server, type in /, then select this command and send it. Now, you will have to wait for 24 hours in order to get your developer's badge. And that's how you can get active developer badge on Discord. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.